Can't see your files in Linux? Do this. This shows all the files in your current folder. But this is actually what you want. Now you see permissions, owner, and size. If you cannot find hidden files, this is the command you need. This command shows hidden files, including .env or config files. If your folder is messy, you can use this command. Now file sizes are readable, like KB, MB. You can also combine all of these together. You hit enter. If you see weird permissions here, that's where change mode and change owner come in. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to the channel? Watch the next video in order to see the way you can change ownership and permission. Thank you.